Kuya, what's that sound?
May nagpuputol ng kahoy doon, naririnig ko. Tara, punta natin. Mang Kanor, anong ginagawa nyo?
Ay, Diyos ko po. Sorry, hindi ka nahita dyan. Kailangan ko ng kahoy pangluto ng pamilya ko at sa pag-ayos ng bahay ko. But kaya said cutting trees will hurt the earth.
Mang Kanor, kailangan natin protektahan ng mga puno. Dahil binibigyan tayo nito ng malinis na hangin. Tinutulungan kapag may baha. Tapos, ito ay tirahan ng ating mga hayop.
Alam po, paano bang magagawa?
Halika Mang Kanor, may alam kaming organisasyon na makakatulong.
And we also need to get more people involved in reforestation.
Tama. Education and community environmental organization.
Good morning.
Morning.
Ate Elena, Ate Sofia, magandang hapon po. Nakita po kasi namin si Mang Kanor nagpuputol ng mga puno. Kailangan niya po ng tulong niya.
Mabuti na mag-organize yung group. Mga Kanor, we understand your situation. So basically, we can provide alternative resources and livelihood training in exchange for helping us reforest.
We also offer seedlings and guidance for planting trees in your backyard.
Ay, talaga. Hindi ko lang magpagbibigyan pa lang. This is fun. Our little trees will grow big and strong.
Di ba Mang Kanor, masaya magtanim ng mga halaman para sa ating mundo?
Yes, it does. Buti na lang nakilala ko ito yung nalaman ko.
And we continue to work together to protect our environment. Every tree we plant is a step towards a greener future.
Remember, taking care of our earth is taking care of ourselves too.